So on the inside of your straightener, you got this little panel here, which shows you in Celsius and Fahrenheit the temperature you can set your hair straightener at. There is a power button here. This right here has like little squiggle lines on it. That's where, if you want, you can use the vibration, or you don't have to. So you can use it with or without. I really like that option. Some people may like it, some people may not. I use it, but then again I don't. I mostly use it right here in the front where my ends are kind of split and dry looking, because it's stated that the vibration helps the friction of the hair to not snag and pull, and these areas like to snag and pull and break off. So I'm very careful about these areas because the hair is real thin and brittle. But over the rest of the hair, the course of it, I don't even use the vibration, but I really like it on the front of my hair. I think it really helps to give off that softer look. And then up here at the top of the vibration button, you've got your up and down, which is your temperature button. So you can set it up or down. So let's turn it on. So my temperature is already set from me previously using it, and you can see it flashing. It will come to a solid light once it reaches its temperature. Like I said, it'll reach up to 365 degrees in just 1 minute, but you can go all the way up to 450 degrees. And that's what it's set on right now. And then if I hit it again, it just goes straight down to the bottom, which is 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. The second one, if I hit the button again, takes this one notch up. That there is 360 degrees Fahrenheit. The third one is 400 degrees, and then the last one is 450 degrees. Now, like I said, once it reaches its desired temperature, it'll be a solid light and it won't be flashing. Now, if I want to use the vibration, which I don't have it on right now, but if I want to use it, I'll push that button, and now it's on. So I'm sure you guys can hear that. And when you let up, it goes off. So only whenever it's closing, it'll vibrate. And like I said, I like to use it. Let me try over here where these hairs are kind of sticking out. Obviously it's not reached its full temperature yet, but it's already hot. Look at the steam coming off. So it gets hot, you guys. See that? It took most of that down. And for some reason, when I'm using the vibration, I don't feel like I'm really damaging my hair any more than I would if I didn't use it. But you can see that steam coming off. I love it. It's such an awesome hair straightener. It's very innovative. It's something new. It's a hair straightener that does something not other hair straighteners do. So I really like that about it. It makes it unique. Now it's already set. It's solid. You can get this on their website at asavea.com. I'll include their link, like I mentioned, in the description below this video.